Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another video lesson. Today we're going to work on page 12, song number 54, Frere Jacques, one of our favorite songs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play all the way through the song for you, and then we'll go back to the beginning and we'll work our way through it, learning it section by section. So here's the beginning of Frere Jacques. I need to bring this down a little bit so that you can see my fingers in both hands as I play. All right, so here's Frere Jacques. It begins with G, A, B, and returns to G. So I'm going to play it all the way through it, and we'll talk about the notes all the way through. So here I go. 1, 2, ready, and play. You can't see my thumb, but at that end I'm going G, D, and I'm adding my thumb for my Ds. All right, so at the very beginning of Frere Jacques, we start using our hot cross buns notes. Hot cross buns is B, A, G, right? But here we're playing them in reverse order. G, A, B, and then back to G. So the first four notes we begin and end on G. G, A, B, G. No thumb on the register key, and I'm not banging into any keys down here either. I'm keeping my right hand fingers arched and away from these side keys. Okay? So let's play the first four notes of Frere Jacques. G, A, B, G. Pretty easy. Make sure you're tonguing as you play. 1, 2, here we go. Good. And now let's do that again. Let's play G, A, B, G again. Ready? Play. Good. And now let's play the first four measures together. Now remember, when you go G, A, B, G, when it repeats, you repeat the G. G, A, B, G. So when you go from the second measure to the third measure, you have two G's in a row to play. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and play. Good. Let's do that again. Ready, play. Good. And you hear that I'm tonguing very cleanly all the time, don't you? You know we talk about that a lot in lessons, and I need you to make sure that you're tonguing as you learn this song and play this song. Okay? Strong fingers on the keys as well. The more muscle you use in your fingers, the faster you'll develop the muscle memory to remember how this song goes. All right, now we're at the number 2 in the song. On the first line, the number 2 in the circle, and we have B, C, and D. Okay? B, C, D. Make sure that you pick up your first finger when you go from B to C. Otherwise, you end up with B, A, and that's not right. B, C, D. And of course, we're adding the thumb on the register key. So let's play that right now. B, C, D. 1, 2, tongue your notes. Good. Let's do that again. B, C, D. Really pop your fingers down on those keys when you get for that D. Ready, and play. Good. All right, now if you want to pause your video and practice those four measures or play from the beginning on your own up to this point, that would be a fantastic thing to do. I will wait right here for you. And now it's time to go to the second line of Frere Jacques, and learn this 6-note phrase, which goes D, E, D, C, B, G. And it's pretty challenging the first time you try and play this. But what we do is we divide those 6 notes in half. We learn the first 3 notes, we play D, E, D, and then we practice the next 3 notes. But let's just play D, E, D several times. Well, that's pretty easy, isn't it? The thumb stays on the register key, these fingers stay down, all 3 fingers in the right hand are down, and when I go D, E, D, I'm just picking up that bottom finger, right? It's pretty easy. Make sure you're tonguing these notes. 1, 2, D, E, D. And do it again. One more time. And again, here we go. Well, that's pretty approachable, isn't it? Now the next 3 notes, C, B, G. Middle finger C to first finger B, and then G. Again, make sure that you're not going C, B, and not picking up your second finger. If you do that, you're playing C, A, which I see lots of kids doing. C, B, G. Just practice that with fingers. C, B, G. No register key, nothing down here. Here we go. Let's practice going C, B, G. Ready, and tongue. Again. Again. And again. Good. Pause the video for a second if you would like. And then when you come back, we'll practice playing the first 3 notes and then the second 3 notes, which is what we're going to do right now. We're going to play D, E, D, and then we're going to just pause for a second and then go C, B, G. All right, are you ready for that? So it's D, E, D, C, B, G. Thumb on the register key for D, E, D. 1, 2, ready, and play. C, B. Again, play. C, B. Let's do that again. D, E, D. C, B. Again. C, B. All right. Pause the video if you'd like. Practice doing that, and then come back, and we'll put it all together. And welcome back. Now we're going to go D, E, D, C, B, G. D, E, D, C, B, G. So that's all 4 measures at the beginning of the second line. So are you ready? We're going to go right into the C, B. But you've got to get D, E, D correct. If you don't get D, E, D right, there's no reason to try and go on. Here we go. D, E, D, and then right into C, B, G. Ready? Go. So now we're doing it twice, right? We play D, E, D, C, B, G, and then it's played again. D, E, D, C, B, G. Let's do that again. 1, 2, ready, and play. And it's really important that when you repeat it, that you start with the D, right? D, E, D, C, B, G, D, E, D, all right? So you end on G, and when you start it over, you go to your D. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready, and play. All right, and and keep practicing that. It's really challenging. The more you do it, the better you'll get at it. If you want to be really good at it, memorize it. Get it memorized, and you'll be fantastic. And now here's the end of the song. We go G, D, G. G, D, G. So I add my thumb to the register key when I add my bottom fingers. My G fingers stay down, right? They never move. G, D, G. G, D, G. Let's do that. 1, 2, ready, and play. All right. Good job, boys and girls. Now, if you would like to play through the song with me from the very beginning, all you have to do is start the video over and you can play along with me there. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep practicing. Keep tonguing. I'll see you later.